Take images from description. Convert to layer and remove BG. Make copy and delete layer mask. Use lasso tool to select and mask. Apply layer mask and select multiply. Apply layer mask and make copy. Go to image and select desaturate. Select screen. Click Ctrl+L and copy settings. Click mask and use brush. Go to image layer and mask, then use brush. Select and go to upper layer and use brush on object. Select and press Ctrl+J and convert to smart object. Set image like this. Take selection from Apple layer and click mask. Select Apple piece and use brush. Take soft brush and use like this. Use magic tool to select and use brush. Add layer and create clip mask and set to overlay. Take brush and make like this and opacity to 87. Add layer and make shadow set, opacity to 80. Ctrl+Shift+Alt+E and go to camera raw filter. Copy these settings and here we go.